Copper has an array of other benefits when it comes to electrification, but with regard to renewable energy, copper really is an all-star. It helps to reduce CO2 emissions by lowering the amount of energy needed to produce electricity. The amount of copper required for most renewable energy systems is 6 times that of traditional energy systems. Copper is also a critical component in the manufacturing of electric vehicles. While the average internal combustion engine vehicle contains approximately 48 pounds of copper, a typical EV contains nearly 4 times that amount. All of these factors, and even more than we have time for here, come together to paint a bright picture for copper and its role in the clean energy transition. It's projected that demand for copper may increase 58% by 2040, relative to 2022. However, the average grade of ore mined globally from existing mines has been declining as ore bodies are depleted. This means that the development of new and emerging copper mines will be needed. As a result, copper mining companies, and perhaps newer copper mining companies in particular, may be poised for growth. Copper miners may be well positioned to benefit from increased investment in the low-carbon and renewable energy sector, and may offer an attractive opportunity to investors seeking access to copper through companies that are upstream in the supply chain. Sprott Energy Transition ETFs are designed to give investors access to critical minerals such as copper, among many others, that are driving the global energy transition. To learn more, please visit the website sprottetfs.com or call 888-622-1813.